My name is Dale, a fourth generation master plumber. I've been doing this for 18 years now. This is the first time installing an A.O. Smith product. The install is absolutely phenomenal and easy. They send out a great product. First, we installed a whole house sediment filter. Removes any type of particles that are in the water, anything. Second, it goes to a central water filter. Takes out the chlorine smell, taste. Thirdly, it goes to a water softener. It keeps down on scale buildup with shower heads and valves and stuff like that. It helps your skin and nails by absorbing the water better. It's better for you to drink. So that's what we installed today. The install is actually easier. It was cheaper to purchase materials for and faster. No lack of quality whatsoever. And watching it actually perform its job is amazing. So I would recommend this product to all my customers as well as other plumbers. It may be a line that I decide to carry with my business. You can find A.O. Smith products exclusively at Lowe's.